So I finally got all the electrical stuff done with my Project Town car, and I started driving it, and it was running rough and running rough and running rough. No check engine light though. And I looked the engine over about 4 or 5 times. I couldn't find anything wrong. I drove it again. It was still running rough. And I decided to just look at it one more time, and look what I found. Somebody helped themselves to 2 of my coils. Otherwise, when the coils were in there, 220,000 miles, it runs, you can barely even feel it. Nice Cartier. It's well used, but it's a good car.